Last year, Google made a bold move and switched up its usual launch schedule. Instead of dropping its flagship Pixel devices in October like it has for years, it pulled a fast one and released the Pixel 9 series in August, a solid month ahead of Apple's annual iPhone event in September. Now it looks like Google's sticking to that plan. The Pixel 10 series is expected to debut again in August, and all signs point to August 13th as the big day. And to make sure everything runs like clockwork, Google has been working overtime to wrap up Android 16 in time. According to several sources, the stable version of Android 16 will be ready sometime this month, and the Pixel 10 phones will be the first to ship with it right out of the box. But let's get to the part you're probably here for, the leaks. Freshly leaked images of the Pixel 10 Pro have surfaced, thanks to a user on Chinese social platform Kulak. The photos, which are reportedly from an early design validation test, DVT unit, were later picked up and shared by Mystic Leaks on Telegram. And honestly, if you're hoping for a major design overhaul, you might want to manage your expectations. We stacked the leaked Pixel 10 Pro images next to a Pixel 9 Pro, and, well, you'd be hard-pressed to tell the difference. From the back, it's basically the same look. The iconic horizontal camera bar is back, housing the familiar trio of rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, along with the LED flash and that temperature sensor that's still kinda weird but uniquely Pixel. The front is also staying true to form. The bezels look unchanged. If there's a design philosophy here, it's clearly, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That said, there are a couple of small tweaks. The Pixel 10 Pro might sport 2 bottom-firing speakers, this time around instead of just one, which could be a nice bump in audio quality. To support the authenticity of these images, a few screenshots from the DevCheck Pro app have surfaced, showing hardware info like DRM, kernel version, and chip details. But here's the kicker. The screenshots claim the Pixel 10 Pro is rocking a 5nm Tensor G5 chip, which doesn't line up with what we know. Multiple reports and basic industry logic suggest that the Tensor G5 is a 3nm chip. So, yeah, take all of this with the usual pinch of salt that comes with early pre-release leaks. On the pricing front, there's chatter that we'll see a $100 price hike across the Pixel 10 lineup. Not great news for your wallet, but not entirely unexpected, given how much smartphone pricing has been creeping up industry-wide. Color options. Yep, those are leaking too. Pixel 10, base model. Blue, iris, limoncello, yes, really, and obsidian. Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL. Green, sterling, porcelain, and obsidian. And if you're wondering whether this is going to be another small product drop, think again. Google is reportedly planning to unveil 4 Pixel 10 models this year: the regular Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a Pro Fold. Yep, foldables are still part of the plan. And that's not all. The Pixel Watch 4 is also expected to be revealed during the same Made by Google event. The official in-store release? Leaks say August 20th. Leaker 2 Mystery Lupin tipped the launch date first, and Android headlines quickly followed up, confirming it and adding that exact retail availability. So, what do you think about Google's upcoming Pixel 10 series? Are you excited about what's to come, or does this all feel a bit too familiar for comfort? Is the new hardware worth the expected price jump? And are those color names getting a little out of hand? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're most or least excited about. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay curious.